French onion soup. A soup from France. Serves 4. You will need 11 ingredients. Step 1. Peel and slice finely the onions. Peel and crush the garlic. Step 2. Brown the onion in heated butter and oil. Add flour. Add white wine and reduce. Step 3. Add 4½ cups water. Salt, pepper. Add the bouquet garni and garlic. Bring to a boil and cook slowly an hour. While the soup cooks, cut the bread. Dry the slices in the oven. Mix the eggs and Madeira Withdraw the croûtons from the oven and increase the temperature to 410 degrees Fahrenheit. Put an oven-proof dish containing water in the oven. Step 5. When the soup is ready, remove the bouquet garni, add the eggs and mix quickly. Pour the soup in bowls, add croûtons and cheese. 6. Put the bowl and bain-marie in the oven. Country Reports. Cook 10 minutes. Culture, countries, travel.